Commercial rentals often face a familiar challenge. How do you show the true potential of a space when it's cluttered, occupied, or unfinished? Whether it's an office filled with old furniture, an empty warehouse shell, or a building still in planning, it can be difficult for potential tenants to truly see the opportunity. Now imagine being able to showcase your commercial space instantly through a rapidly built digital twin of your property. From entire office parks to individual rentable units, Meta-dology helps you bring your spaces to life, on demand and in full context. The experience doesn't stop at the building. We expand the environment to include surrounding areas, highlighting the key points of interest that can help secure your next tenant. With a single click, toggle through multiple layouts, open plan, partitioned, or hybrid configurations, giving potential tenants the power to visualize the space exactly how they'd use it. As they explore, contextual data appears seamlessly: cost per square meter, parking allocations, tenant improvement allowances, and more, all delivered interactively as they walk through the digital environment. Go deeper into the details, hide non-weight-bearing walls, remove furniture, display real-time measurements, or even visualize lighting effects, window views, and utilities. Everything designed to help clients plan smarter and get the most from their environment. And when it comes to decision-making, we know the first viewer isn't always the final decision-maker. That's why our digital twins are designed to simplify and accelerate buy-in, giving every stakeholder the clarity they need to move forward confidently. Run functional simulations too, from delivery routes and truck access to yard logistics, ensuring feasibility before any commitments are made. We understand that commercial rentals operate under budget constraints and tight timelines. That's why we focus on rapid delivery, creating highly functional, visually realistic models without unnecessary production overheads. And once the lease is signed, your model continues to deliver value, evolving into a powerful maintenance and building management tool. Use it to report repairs, log job cards, and eliminate confusion between tenants, landlords, and facility teams. From showcasing potential to managing performance, Metadology transforms commercial rentals into digital experiences that drive decisions faster, smarter, and with confidence. Metadology, where vision becomes space.